When it comes to using a Dremel rotary tool, one of the most common questions is whether accessories are interchangeable between different models. The answer is generally yes, but with a few important considerations. Dremel, as a brand, has designed their rotary tools and their wide selection of accessories with versatility and user convenience in mind. Most Dremel accessories, such as cutting wheels, sanding drums, polishing bits, and engraving tips, are made to fit a standard-sized collet or chuck, which is the part of the tool that holds the accessory in place. Across most Dremel rotary tool models, the standard shank size for accessories is 1/8 inch, or about 3.2 millimeters. This means that whether you have a classic corded Dremel 3000, a cordless Dremel 8220, or even an older model, you'll find that most of the bits and the attachments can be swapped between them with ease. This interchangeability is a significant advantage, allowing users to expand their toolkit without being restricted to a single model. However, there are some exceptions and details worth keeping in mind. Some Dremel accessories come with smaller shank sizes, such as 3/32 inch or 1/16 inch, especially those designed for delicate or specialized work. For these, Dremel includes or offers separately different-sized colettes, or an adjustable chuck, which can accommodate various shank sizes. If your tool only has a single-sized collet installed, you may need to purchase a multi-collet set or the Dremel multi-chuck to ensure compatibility with these smaller accessories. Attachments, which are different from accessories, sometimes pose more of a challenge. Attachments are add-ons, like flex shafts, cutting guides, or plunge rotors that fit over or attach to the body of the tool itself. While many attachments are designed to work with most Dremel rotary tool models, some are tailored to specific product lines due to differences in body shape, size, or design features. It's always a good idea to check the compatibility notes provided by Dremel for each attachment. These are usually listed on the packaging or on their website. Another point to consider is the difference between rotary tools and other products in the Dremel lineup. Dremel manufactures not only rotary tools, but also oscillating tools, saws, and specialty devices. Accessories made for Dremel oscillating multi-tools, for example, will not fit rotary tools, and vice versa. Always ensure that the accessory you're purchasing is meant for the type of Dremel tool you own. Occasionally, third-party manufacturers produce accessories that claim to be Dremel compatible. While many of these work perfectly well, it's wise to double-check the shank size and read user reviews to confirm that they fit securely and operate safely in your model. When switching accessories between different models, safety is paramount. Always ensure that the accessory is properly seated and tightened in the collet or chuck before turning the tool on. Some older models may not have the same quick change features as modern ones, so take extra care during installation. Consult your tool's user manual for specific instructions on changing accessories. In summary, most Dremel accessories are designed with interchangeability in mind, which means they can be used on a wide variety of Dremel rotary tool models, provided the shank size matches the collet or chuck in your tool. For specialized attachments or accessories with non-standard shank sizes, you may need additional adapters or colettes. Always check compatibility before purchasing and follow proper installation and safety procedures. This flexibility is one of the key benefits of the Dremel system, allowing hobbyists, DIYers, and professionals alike to get the most value and utility from their tools.